festival is around the corner. Mooncake is a must-have as it symbolizes reunion. But have you purchased any yet?
月饼象征团圆，是中秋节的必备食品。距离中秋节还有1个月，你购买了吗？
Fret not, you can now get branded mooncakes in Sunway Velocity. A wide variety of mooncakes are waiting for you.
Sunway Velocity 邀请了本地多家的知名品牌参与今年的中秋盛会，你还可以在这里找到各种不同口味的月饼哦，然后再选出自己喜爱的口味。
Also, don't miss out their weekend activities. You can even DIY your own mini mooncake and bring home. How cool it is!
还有，周末还有各式丰富多彩的活动，还有表演哦。你还可以自己手工自制迷你月饼，然后带回家。